they're retarded.
Okay, the Seagulls are back for our next attempt.
Give me your phone. Wheat thins.
Here they go.
They like the wheat thins.
Trying the wheat thins instead of pretzels this time.
The football's gonna mess us up.
Yeah, get out of here,
Those
football
girls
players.
need to leave.
Can't they see we're trying to do something here? Oh, they're getting there. They're getting closer.
Don't say anything. Don't say. No.
Let's all just everyone take a step back and be quiet.
Chelsea, back up.
Chelsea, back up.
There's one literally on.
There's Chelsea.
Sorry. You won't be able
I'm
to
gonna zoom in.
Go so close to the
They have to be like on her face.
Come on, Jessica.
Come on, Jessica.
Oh my god. I like how we're cheering for Jessica.
Jessica
Okay.
is the bird whisperer. Bird's heart, Jessica.
Oh my god. Come on, get a little closer. A little closer.
Come on, Catherine.
Foot itches.
Come on.
They're right next to her. Jessica, tell her to get it, Jessica. Come on. They're not going to get that close again.
Oh my god. Fucking now. Oh my god, Jessica.
Is that not close enough? Sorry.
Videotape the people looking up to the right.
Hey.
So many people are watching.
Hold on, sorry. We're getting some action. Feed the birds. Tuppence. Okay, football player chick, you need to go.
Yeah,
Catherine, Jessica. Oh! She got a bird! She got a bird! It pooped on my head! Did it poop? Kitty got a bird! Yeah. Don't release it yet! I'm pretty sure a bird pooped on my head. Did that just happen? Is there a bird poop on my head? A bird pooped on my head! She's gonna let it go. Woo! Caught a bird! Most successful thing of the day. I can't believe it.
That's $100.
Kitty and Jessica.
Guys, I'm throwing the pretzels away.
All right, that was exciting.